have a new power up on the block, lock view. Lock view allows collaborator with creator and above permissions to lock a particular view. It basically prevents any of your team members to change that view's configuration. So here's how it works. For example, if you have a new view, in this case, say we have, a deals table and a filtered view, which basically filters based on, the won deals. Now say this view is basically set up, for your Slack configuration or for your Zapier configuration, or you don't want anybody to change, how this view looks. So basically what you do is you go to that particular view, you click on this icon and just lock this view. So when you lock this view, you can basically leave a message. And just lock this view. Once the view is locked, you will see, a lock icon here, and you won't be able to change any of the view configuration, including row heights, height columns, filters, colors, or sort. So the view remains as it is. So basically this will prevent anybody to change any of this view's configuration. And if you have any automations or notifications set from this view, or if you have embedded this particular view on any website or a blog and you don't want anybody to change that, the locked view feature will be super helpful in doing that. Now the same thing you can do it for, other views as well. So for example, if you have a Kanban view and I just want to lock this particular view as well, I can just click on lock view and just lock it. So none of the configurations in the Kanban view will be changed. Now, there are two ways to unlock this view. If you want to unlock it, you basically go to that view, go back to the collaborator view again, and by default, change this to the collaborator view. So the message will come here and you can just choose to unlock it. Right. And the second way to unlock, the view is basically by looking at, the unlock options here on the toolbar. So for example, if you don't have any filter set, you can unlock this option and just unlock this view. That's it. The view is unlocked. And this will then basically allow you to change the view configurations or the filters or the height columns or anything like that. So yeah, feel free to use this power up and give us any feedback that you have.